He's become a father. Concealed in the long grass near an abandoned summer house is his newborn family. 6 tiny cubs. At 10 days old, their eyes have only just opened. And they're starting to make sense of their world. Their mother will remain close to them for the next few weeks while they suckle. It's the male's job to feed her until the cubs are fully weaned. The shore fox's choice of territory is crucial. It must provide all the food the family needs. The den lies close to the same beach where the pair mated in March. Now in June, the feeding here is much richer. There's the pick of what they can scavenge from the shore. And the meadows are full of breeding birds whose eggs and nestlings form the bulk of the fox's diet. For now, it's a good place to make a home. They're already weaned and hungry for solid food. For the cliff foxes, food means seabirds. The female heads to her regular hunting ground, where she's hoping to ambush nesting fulmars. But this year, bird numbers are low, and many nests are empty. All the pressure is on her young mate. He's working the shores of the crater lake that sits nearly 1,000 feet up among the mountain peaks. There are seabirds here too. Kittiwakes. They use this lake to wash the salt from their feathers after returning from the open sea. A flock this big is a fabulous food source. But this is open ground. There's no way to reach them. Or is there? Perhaps this is a puzzle he can crack. The kittiwakes preen on the rocks after their bath. Maybe this is where they can be snatched. No luck this time. If he can only find a way to catch them, it would throw a lifeline to his growing family. The young male cliff fox is forming a new plan. If he hides under a boulder, there may be a chance to grab the birds as they alight on the rocks. It's a case of waiting and picking exactly the right moment to strike. The kittiwakes haven't spotted the danger. The enterprising young fox is right underneath them. So close. But the birds are spooked now. The hunt is over. His young family will go hungry this time.